Welcome everyone to a quick overview of lesson 2.8 from calculus, my favorite, which is the product rule. Without any further ado, let's jump on in. What happens when you have a function times another function? In this case, if we have an f times a g. Well, that h prime of x would be equal to f prime times g plus g prime times f. That can be tedious to memorize, so I actually have a little method that I was shown from one of my former calculus teachers, and I share it all the time. It is called the fish method. In this case, it would be the plus fish method. So if you have a function that's f times g, you write f on top, g on the bottom, then we'd find f prime and we'd find g prime, and then we would draw a fish. I like to draw an arrow following that movement, especially in the beginning. Once you get used to it, you can drop the arrow if you'd like, and then we'll put a little plus on the inside. So that tells us that we start with f prime, we times it by g, and then once we go up, once we don't go diagonal, we add f times g prime. And that's it. So let's try it in application. Let's do h of x is equal to sine x times, and let's do the natural log of x, because we learned about both of those in the last lesson, right? So in this case, this would be f and this would be g. So you can use this rule here and go straight to it. I'm going to set it up with my little fish method here. So I'm going to write sine on the top. I'm going to write the natural log on the bottom. The derivative of sine is cosine. The derivative of the natural log is 1 over x, and then we're going to draw a fish, the little plus. So the derivative of this function here is cosine times the natural log of x. So cosine of x times the natural log of x plus sine times 1 over x, which would be sine of x over x. And that is it. Again, it's one of my favorites because I love this little way of doing it. You can memorize the rule if that works for you, but that is the product rule, is just this little formula here, or if you remember it with the little fish. Again, that's it. Good luck to you and your practice. This is going to come up all the time. You're going to use this all of the time, so you definitely have to have it memorized. So again, good luck to you, and I'll see you in the next video.